Minang. My study program is English. I teach in SMPN Satu Atap Pejukutan, Nusa Penida, Kelungkung, Bali. Today, 1st December 2020, I would like to share a video about my teaching learning process with the material procedure text recipe. Have a nice watching. Thank you.
Good morning, students.
Morning.
Today,
I'm
yeah, I hope you always care about your health at home, yeah. And don't forget to use your mask and wash your hand if you go outside, yeah. And obey the protocol COVID-19 in this pandemic, yeah. So, before we start our lesson today, I will check your attendance, ya. Ibu akan melihat kehadiran kalian. Any absent today? I think no, ya. Already 20 participant here. Okay. Okay. Before we start our lesson today, sebelum kita mulai pelajaran, one of you, can you lead the prayer? Handa, please lead the prayer.
Oh. Okay. Doa mulai. Selesai.
Okay, thank you, Handa.
Okay.
Okay. Before we start, I will share my screen. Ya. Di sini ada tujuan pembelajaran kita. Ya. Can you see it? Ya, tujuan pembelajarannya. Melalui serangkaian kegiatan, peserta didik dapat pertama merinci susunan struktur teks atau generic structure, prosedur teks berbentuk resep makanan atau minuman. Yang kedua, mengklasifikasikan unsur-unsur kebahasaan atau language feature, prosedur teks berbentuk resep makanan atau minuman. Ya. Yang ketiga, menyimpulkan fungsi sosial atau social function, prosedur teks berbentuk resep makanan atau minuman. Ya. Yang terakhir adalah merancang satu jenis teks prosedur baru berbentuk resep dengan menggunakan kaidah struktur teks, generic structure, unsur-unsur kebahasaan, language features, dan fungsi sosial, ya, secara tertulis. Oke, let's us continue. Watch the video first, ya, and get the information in the video, ya.
Right, welcome back. I'm using eggs, but some leftover rice to do a beautiful fried classic rice, the nasi goreng. This is a rice literally grown in West Sumatra, and look at the grains. The grains are huge, okay, and this type of rice is only grown here. It's great for fried rice because it takes on so much flavour. I'm going to fry off the eggs first. I've got some sambal here, and some sweet soy, and a little touch of the rendang paste. Start this off. Again, we all have leftover rice, so this is a lovely way of literally turning leftover rice into an amazing dish. Chilies, galangal. I'm going to grate some of that over there to sort of sweeten everything up. And because everything moves so fast, you need to be super ready. So I'm going to quickly just chop the chilies, okay? Again, I want this to be quite hot. The rice is very starchy. The grain is huge, so you need to sort of get some heat in there. Over that, I'm going to start grating, okay, the galangal. I just want all that sort of juice and puree over those chilies. That will make it a little bit sweeter and less spicy. Put that onto my chilies. That galangal will help make that super oniony flavour to the rice. but it's got a really nice, dense, sort of spicy chai feel. And those blossoms at the end have a little bit of kick in there. Okay, all the ingredients ready. Okay, because this goes quick. Right, whisk your eggs lightly. Look at the colour of those yolks. Beautiful. Touch of oil. Okay, you've got to be quick in here now. Get that oil nice and warm. Okay, I want to sort of get that round my wok and just literally get that wok hot. Get rid of the excess oil. Give that a nice wipe so it's nice and sticky. Okay, fresh oil in. I'm going to fry off all my beautiful spices first. Okay, in. So you can see it cooking nicely. Again, as that starts to scramble, eggs are cooking. As that starts to cook, let it set and then break it up again. Change the wok. Get that super hot. I need a bigger wok, especially for the rice. Now that egg is deeply fried, I've got a little bit more depth in my wok to get my rice in. Rice goes in. Beautiful. Now we start toasting that and frying that and mixing that egg and the spice in there. Beautiful. Keep that heat in there and get that rice all the way up into the centre of the wok. Okay, make a little circle in the middle there. Okay, a little touch of sambal in the middle, fry that off. A little touch of the rangdang. I want mainly the oil in there. Get that literally frying off. You bring up to temp and then literally fry it off there now. Look. And that's going to literally give that wonderful flavour. Look, I'm toasting that rice. Look at the colour of that. Beautiful. So good. Keep the heat in the wok. Okay. Literally. Give that a really good toss. It stops the rice. Beautiful. Fried rice. Now, that is rice to die for. It's fragrant. Now,
Oke. Kalian kan sudah menonton videonya ya. Informasi apa yang kalian dapat? Videonya tentang apa?
The video is about cooking.
Yeah, that's good. Yang lainnya, apa yang kalian bisa lihat di dalam video tadi?
Memasak, Bu.
Ya, masak. Lagi?
Memasak.
Masak apa dia? Ya?
Cara
Masak apa dia tadi?
masak nasi goreng. Nasi goreng, Bu.
Nasi goreng.
Ya, melihat masakan tadi, pasti kalian lapar ya pagi-pagi.
Nasi goreng. Ya, Bu.
Ya, Bu.
Ya. Oke.
Ya, Bu.
Oke, let's we continue. Do you see the picture? Kalian lihat gambarnya?
Ya, Bu.
Ya. Ya, Bu. Do you like that food? Do you like that food?
Do you like it? Yes, I like it.
Yeah. I also love it so much, yeah. I also love it so much. Which one is your favorite food? Which one? Yang mana makanan favorit kalian? Which one is your favorite food?
I like it.
I like chicken nugget.
Yeah, sate. And over there is a ayam geprek ya. I like ayam geprek. Yeah.
Betul.
Yeah. So, and we continue. Do you like it?
Really
Do you like this drink?
Very like it. Very like it.
Very like it.
Not much.
Yeah. Which one is your which one is your favorite drink? Which one is your favorite?
Orange juice.
I like
Yeah.
orange.
Orange.
Yeah, so do I. I also like orange juice. Yeah. You like strawberry juice?
Yeah.
I like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
So, it is interesting, right? Yeah. Can you make it? Can you make your favorite food? Kalian bisa membuat makanan favorit kalian?
Kalau
Bisa.
nasi goreng.
No. I cannot make that.
Okay.
I can make
If you cannot make it, ya, jika kalian tidak bisa membuatnya, gimana cara kalian kalau kalian misalnya ingin membuat sesuatu? Bagaimana?
mencari tutorialnya di internet.
Yeah, that's good. You should search the tutorial or guiding in the internet, ya. Tutorial or guiding to make something in the internet. To make a food that you like. Apa namanya itu? Ayo. Apa namanya? Recipe, ya. Now we will learn about procedure text, about recipe or resep, ya. Resep. Recipe is one of kind procedure text, ya. Recipe itu adalah salah satu jenis dari procedure text, ya. And what is procedure text? Yeah, what is procedure text? Procedure text is a text that inform us how to make or do something. Ya, jika kalian ingin memasak sesuatu, terus kalian tidak bisa membuatnya, pasti kan kalian melihat resep, ya. Melihat resep apa saja bahan-bahannya, bagaimana cara memasaknya, itu adalah bagian dari procedure text, recipe. Recipe is a kind of procedure text. Ya, procedure text itu adalah cara teks, suatu teks, cara untuk membuat sesuatu atau melakukan sesuatu, ya. And the social function of the procedure text is, the social functionnya adalah to tell someone how to do or make something step by step. Ya. Fungsi sosialnya itu adalah untuk memberitahu kita bagaimana untuk membuat sesuatu step by step. Apa itu step?
Langkah-langkah.
Iya.
Tahap
Atau langkah-langkah, ya. Langkah membuat sesuatu atau tahap-tahapan dari membuat sesuatu itu, ya. Oke. Sampai di sini, do you already understand about procedure text?
understand. Yes, understand.
Okay, let's we continue. Let's we continue. How about the generic structure of procedure text? Bagaimana kalau dengan struktur dari procedure text? Procedure text itu berisi tentang apa saja sih? Yang pertama, the first is goal or the purpose. What is goal or purpose? Apa itu goal or purpose?
Tujuan.
Ya, that's good, Pratnya. Tujuan, ya. Tujuannya apa? Dalam membuat procedure text itu harus ada the goal. Tujuannya apa? Ya, misalnya how to make fried rice kayak tadi video itu, ya. How to make a fried rice, ya. The goal-nya, itu the goal-nya, tujuannya, ya. And the second ada, can you see? What is the second? Apa itu?
Material, tools, or ingredients.
Yeah, that's good. Material, tools, and ingredient. What is material?
Bahan.
Yeah?
Bahan.
Yeah, that's good, Handa. Bahan. Yeah. Tools?
Peralatan.
Yeah, peralatan. That's good, Pratnya. And the ingredients?
Komposisi.
Ya, komposisi atau bahan-bahan juga ya. Di dalam suatu memasak itu, apa saja yang perlu disiapkan. So, material, tools, and ingredients-nya perlu disiapkan ya. Misalnya kalau membuat nasi goreng, what is the material? How to make a fried rice? The material?
Rice.
Ya. Puspita, that's good. Rice, apa lagi?
Egg.
Egg, ya.
Vegetable.
Vegetable. Lagi?
Chili.
Chili.
Oil.
Oil, yeah, that's good. And onion, you need an onion. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. And the step, yeah. And the last is the step, yeah. Step. Apa itu step?
Langkah-langkah.
Langkah-langkah. Ya, di dalam prosedur teks itu ada langkah membuat sesuatu, ya. Misalnya, kalau kalian membuat nasi goreng, gimana langkah-langkahnya?
Pertama, siapkan bahan-bahannya.
Iya, yang pertama siapkan bahan-bahannya. Prepare the ingredients, ya. The first is prepare the ingredients and terus apa lagi? Cut the onion, ya. Potong bawang atau chili, ya. Dan the ingredients-nya, ya. Terus langkah-langkahnya yaitu panaskan minyak, boil the oil, ya, and tumis bawang goreng atau bumbunya, ya. Terus dan selanjutnya, ya.
Masukkan nasi.
Ya, oke. From this chapter, any question?
No.
Language features of prosedur text. Unsur-unsur kebahasaan dari prosedur text, ya. The first, ada apa saja di sana?
Use adverbial of sequence or using temporal conjunction.
Yeah, use adverbial of sequence or using temporal conjunction like first, second, third, last, finally, ya. Menggunakan temporal conjunction atau kata penghubung, ya, seperti first, second, third, last, finally, gitu ya. Okay. And the second is use command or imperative sentence.
Imperative sentence.
Di imperative sentence itu adalah kalimat perintah, ya. Imperative sentence, kalimat perintah. Seperti put the noodle, taruh noodle, apa itu noodle? Put the noodle, taruh mie-nya, ya. Cut the onion, potong bawangnya, ya. Wash the tomato,
Cuci tomatnya.
yeah, that's good. And using adverbial to express detail, time, place, or manner accurately. For example, for a minute, for 2 hours, ya. Menggunakan adverbial atau kata keterangan, ya. Kata keterangan itu bisa kata keterangan waktu, tempat, dan cara. Ya. And then using action verb. Menggunakan kata action verb, kata kerja, ya. Misalnya make, take, boil, cook, ya. Kata kerja, ya. Itu contoh kata kerja. Membuat, mengambil, memanaskan, memasak, kata kerja, ya. Dan using simple present tense, ya. Using simple present tense, ya. Oke. Setelah kalian mengetahui language features of procedure text, ya, kita akan lanjut ke go to the example, ya. Contohnya. Ya, do you see the example? Ya?
See.
Ya, apa itu di sana example-nya? The goal. Apa goals-nya? Tujuannya adalah how to make a fruit ice, ya. Caranya, can you read the material, please? Caranya bisa ya. Materialnya ada apa saja?
Material to make a fruit ice is mango, avocado, sugar water, milk, ice, apple, strawberry, wine, and jackfruit.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, Ratnya. And the step. That's the material, ya. And the step. Ada apa saja di sana?
First, cut the fruit around or dice.
Ini.
Then, stretching the flesh of a melon.
Ya.
First, cut the fruit around, squeezing the flesh on our surface.
Then, boil sugar white water until cooked for about 30 minutes.
Ya. Oke. That's the step, ya. Tadi kan di language features-nya ada temporal conjunction. Can you see in this example which one is the temporal conjunction? Yang mana temporal conjunction-nya?
Yang tulisan kuning.
Ya. Ada apa saja di sana? Okay, that's good. Ada first, then, next, last, ya. And the action verb. Action verb-nya ada apa di sana?
Cut.
Ya. Cut. Apa lagi?
Stretching.
Ya.
Boil. Put. And crushing.
Okay, that's good. Thank you. Sampai di sini? Di sini ada lagi contohnya, ya. The goal-nya. Can you identify the goal of this example? Bisa dilihat apa goal-nya?
Bisa.
Apa goal-nya? Ayo.
How to make a coffee.
Okay, that's good. How to make a coffee. That's the goal, ya. And the material. The material and ingredients.
Ingredients. 2 spoons of sugar. One cup of water, a cup and a spoon.
Okay, that's good. That's the material and the ingredient. Yeah. the ingredient ada 2 spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of coffee powder, and hot water, ya.
Hot water.
And the material ada a cup and a spoon, ya. A cup, a spoon, ya. And the last is the step. Apa aja stepnya?
Prepare 2 spoons of sugar, a cup hot water, 1 spoon of coffee powder, and a
coffee
spoon.
powder and spoon.
Okay.
You put a spoon of coffee powder into the cup, and 3 pour some hot water into the cup. Or
Okay,
add
that's
2
good.
Two
That's the
of
step, ya.
water.
Nah, yang ditanda panah itu termasuk apa? Kata apa? In the future-nya, tadi Ibu sudah sampaikan, prepare. Itu termasuk action verb. Ya, that's good. Yang mana lagi action verb-nya?
Pat.
Ya. Put. Nah, put. And pour. Add and stir, ya. Stir. That's the action verb, ya. Tadi kan Ibu sudah nge-share LKPD-nya, ya. Sekarang kerjakan dulu. Kerjakan dulu LKPD-nya, ya. Nanti dipresentasikan di sini, ya. Oke? That's good. Setelah kalian mengerjakan LKPD, nanti kita presentasi di Zoom meeting ini lagi, oke?
Ya.
Oke. Sudah selesai kan menjawab LKPD-nya? Ya, sudah? Ya. Sekarang kita akan bahas di sini activity pertama. Ya, activity pertama itu ada circle the sequence words or temporal conjunction in the text. Ya. Coba kalian lihat di sana kan ada procedure text how to cook noodle. Jadi temukan di sana temporal conjunction-nya, ya. Ayo, siapa mau menjawab?
Saya, Bu.
Ayu Puspita, ya.
Bu.
How to cook noodles.
Ya.
First, put water in a pot. Second, put the pot on the stove. Then, turn the stove on. Next, seasoning to the noodles in the bowl. Next, mix the noodles and the seasoning together with a spoon. Finally, eat the noodles.
Ya, that's good. Ayu Puspita.
Teratas jangan itu
Which one is the temporal conjunction-nya? Yang mana saja temporal conjunction-nya?
First,
temporal.
then,
Ya.
Terus
then, next, finally.
Okay, that's good. So you already understand about it, ya? Okay.
Ya.
Okay, let's we continue to activity 2. Do you see the activity 2? Ya?
Yes.
Di sana ada procedure text yang belum berurutan, ya. The scramble sentence, ya. Jadi di sini diurutkan kalimat mana yang pertama dan dengan temporal conjunction-nya, ya. Do you understand?
Yes.
Who want to answer? Who want to answer?
Yoga.
Oh yeah, Yoga, please.
First, put milk, cocoa, butter, and sugar into a pot and heat on the stove. Second,
Okay, continue.
let the mixture boil and stir continuously for 1 minute. Third, Take the pot off the stove and add peanut butter, vanilla, and oatmeal.
Okay.
Then drop mixture by spoonful into a tray and bake for about 80 minutes. After that, remove from the oven and let cool. Finally, eat and enjoy with a glass of milk.
Okay. That's good, Yoga. You arrange the sentence correctly. Okay. Thank you, Yoga.
You're welcome.
And the last activity. Who can answer the activity 3? Di sana ada juga prosedur teksnya, yaitu mengidentifikasi general structure of the procedure text. General structure-nya ada apa saja? Tadi yang sudah Ibu jelaskan, general structure-nya ada the goal, ya, the material, and the step. Ya. Di sana ada text procedure. Coba identifikasi apa goalnya? Siapa yang sudah menjawab? Siapa yang sudah menjawab? Ayo.
Ya, Bu.
Ya, siapa itu?
Desi.
Ya, Desi, please.
Goal, the final purpose of doing the products. Example, how to make rujak.
No, this one. Ini. Yang ini. Yang di LKPD-nya. How to make, the goals-nya adalah
Fried potatoes.
ya, fried potatoes, ya. And the material. The generate structure-nya kan ada the goals, the material, and the step. The material-nya ada apa?
Material is 4 baked potatoes, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 onion whole, 1 green bell pepper and seed and salt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 per 4 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 per 4 cup cooked fresh parsley.
Ya.
Equipment, large skilled plate, pot.
Ya. And the step. Continue, Handa. The step.
The step 1, bring a large pot of salt water to a boil. Add potatoes and cook until tender but still firm about 15 minutes. Drain the potatoes and cut them into 1 per 2 inch cups when they are already cool. In a large skilled heat, 1 tablespoon olive oil over medium-high heat. Add onion and green pepper. Cook about 5 minutes, stirring often until soft. Transfer to a plate and set aside. 4. Pour remaining 2 tablespoons of oil into the skillet and turn heat to medium-high. 5. Add potato scraps, salt, paprika, and black pepper. Cook, stirring occasionally until potatoes are brown. About 10 minutes. Stir in the onions, green peppers, and parsley and cook for another minute. Serve hot.
Okay. That's good, Handa. Thank you.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay. So you are already present your LKPD. Then at home, please make activity 5, activity 5. Masing-masing grup membuat satu prosedur text recipe yang mudah kalian lakukan di rumah. Kemudian buatlah video singkat mengenai resep prosedur text tersebut ya. Menggunakan membuat resep makanan atau minuman di rumah kalian yang mudah kalian buat ya. Dengan membuat video. Misalnya kalian seperti tadi itu. Kalian berbicara sambil membuatnya. Misalnya contohnya di rumah tuh kalian membuat teh atau membuat kopi, membuat telur ceplok. Boleh itu contoh-contohnya ya. Oke. That's all for our meeting today. So, apa kesimpulan dari pelajaran hari ini? Kita sudah mempelajari tentang apa?
Prosedur teks.
Ya, prosedur teks. Ada apa saja di prosedur teks?
Goal, material.
Ya, perannya please.
Goal, material.
Step.
Step. Yeah, and the step. Yeah, that's good. So, before we close our lesson today, let us pray together. Pray, start. Finish. Okay. Thank you for joining the meeting and see you next meeting. Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 Bye.